What up, guys? Wednesday morning. Got the sailing with me. Heading out to the strip. Gonna make lots of money today. Got our motor last night. Got out there, got the other pulley off. And started to prep the new motor, and I don't have the right pulley puller, so I'm gonna come down here, work a couple hours, get a pulley puller, go back home and spend the afternoon in the garage. Hopefully by 3, 4 o'clock we'll have that fucker running. Shouldn't take long. 4 bolts, a pulley, lining up all the belts is the hard part. Making sure everything rides around nice and smooth around the pulleys. Other than that, it should be pretty smooth. I feel like.
You did get to your run yesterday?
Yeah.
That was cool.
Bought a propane motor. The dude converted it back to gas for us, which wasn't no big deal. It was just a little piece on the carburetor he had to take off, but it was still nice to see the motor run.
Yeah.
Like it was really reassuring. Like just, I knew I was gonna be able to bring this fucker home and it's gonna work for me. Like
Yeah.
I've been having self-doubts about it since I made a deal with the guy.
He made sure we knew we weren't buying a brick.
Yeah.
He's like, it runs.
Yeah, I think you could tell the desperation in my messages, you know. It's understandable. I mean,
Yeah.
like, have this motor not work out and I went and spent all the money on it that I did, I would literally just,
Right.
I'd be done. Yeah. I counted them last night. It's my 5th motor I put on this mower. So, like, most people would have gave up probably 3 motors ago.
Yeah. It's gonna do us good. It's gonna get us through a few seasons.
Yeah, the motor sat there and purred yesterday. So.
It did. It wasn't like trying to like wobble all over the place or anything either. I was impressed. Really just took like pressure on it and that's it, just to hold it still too.
Yeah, that's pretty neat. It makes me want to go. Guy said he had to buy 9 of them to get a deal on them, so it almost makes me want to go buy one more off them just to sit in my garage.
Right. Just in case. Yeah. Well then.
Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hit like and subscribe. Take on this little fucking DoorDash adventure. Everybody's living an adventure nowadays. What's up, guys? Got some big apple bagels for breakfast. Look at this fucking thing. Like,
I got cheddar, bacon, cream cheese.
oh, she's killing me with it too. I got plain and
Yeah.
it's quite amazing. So this got our first delivery. It was $7.75 for 3 miles.
I'll take it.
We ain't gonna be down here long today. My daughter has half a day, so we gotta be back home at noon. So we literally come down here just to get a pulley puller for the mower. Figured since we're here, we might as well make the fucking best of it. Like,
Yeah. Yeah, for sure.
believe me, I wanted to roll over this morning and fucking go back to bed. But,
Ditto.
I guess that's kind of what got us in this mess. Really.
Oh, I got water, man, brother.
Oh shit.
Or no. just
Sprinkler head.
Haha. We're gonna get back on track though.
Yeah, we are.
That's what that's called.
We were doing good. And we went to Florida. Come home and everything was just fucked. It is what it is. We're out here making the best of it. Making ourselves better together.
That's right.
delivery number 2. It was like $6 for 2 miles. Not bad. I'm in a better mindset today. So much better. Obviously, me and T sat and worked out our differences. It's not really differences, dude. We both just suffer from the same mental bullshit. We're both Capricorns, born 3 days apart. Like, I'm talking about button heads, you know? That's why. That's my motherfucking homie right there. That's my life partner. Like, God, I love that girl. She's amazing. We just have to stay on top of our game, our mental health. Life's gonna work out just great for the both of us. Alright guys, we just snagged up another nice little delivery, $6.25 for less than a mile. I like these deliveries. Thank you very much. I appreciate whoever ordered this. Alright guys, picked up another one. It's like just a base pay for a mile and a half. Fuck it, we'll take it. I just fucked up and denied a nice $12 shopping order. Well, what up guys? Just got another shitty little delivery. It's better than sitting, adds to my bank for the day. So this one's 3 miles for $3.50. Fucking thanks. You tipped a whole fucking $1 so you could get some hair dye. What up guys? Closing this video out a little early today. It's only 11 a.m. So our daughter's got half day of school today. There's nobody there to be with her, so we're on our way, Miss Mandy. We did pretty good today. Almost $40 for 2.5 hours worth of work. I had to come down here to get a tool anyway, so
Yeah.
I made my tool. We got lunch money,
Yeah.
gas money, covered our morning. DoorDash is a blessing some days.
Good job. Thank you, DoorDash.
Yeah. DoorDash is gonna take us across the country,
Yeah,
yeah.
they will.
We're about mid-July, I think. It may be the hottest part of the summer, but you know, ain't gonna stop me from going out to where it's 120 degrees.
Right. No matter what, 120 degrees is 120 degrees.
Right. Whether it's in Michigan or Arizona, it don't matter. Yeah. Get our bills caught up and we're heading out west. That's all there is to it.
Got a piece of the tug out. Stopped some Walmarts along the way.
Walmart's heading out west are the best. Mormons are fucking great, dude.
Yeah.
Mormon kids are the best. Like, mommy, why does she look so provocative? She's showing some neck, Mom. Fucking hit the like and subscribe. Hopefully tonight you guys will get a video of me mowing some yards. That's the goal.